Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how you can install the Olixar tempered glass screen protector for the Huawei P20 Pro, as well as giving my opinions and feedback on how it performs. To install the protector, you'll firstly need to ensure that your screen is fully prepared and ready for the install to be actioned. The P20 Pro does come with a lightweight screen protector pre-installed, so this will need to be removed in order to upgrade your screen protection. Now you'll be free to begin cleaning your screen with the provided accessories. You'll want to use the white labelled one and begin cleaning your P20 Pro's display, before then using the second wipe to dry it. You'll then be free to give the phone a once over with the microfiber cloth, before finally using the dust removal stickers to lift away any remaining pieces of dust and debris. With your screen well prepared, you can now turn your attention to the protector itself. By removing the protective backing, you'll reveal the adhesive side ready for installation. With this step complete, you can now begin lowering the protector into place like so, paying close attention to the cutouts at the top of the protector. If for any reason you're not happy with the alignment, then you can carefully remove the protector with your fingernails or a credit card like so and have another attempt. When you've got the protector perfectly positioned, you will then need to apply a firm press around the black lining to secure the protector in place. This will leave you with a perfectly applied screen protector that's ready for use. The Olixar screen protector once applied provides fantastic screen protection, ensuring that your screen stays crystal clear and scratch free for even longer. While not advertised as case compatible, I found that the protector worked with the majority of cases I tried, so you should have no issues using this with your favourite case, unless it does feature a large lip of course. In terms of responsiveness, the Olixar protector provides an experience like no other, with perfect touch typing, accurate scrolling and swiping. This makes using your phone with the protector applied extremely easy. What's more, the clarity is top quality, ensuring that your P20 Pro's stunning display will shine through without any compromise. Overall, the Olixar tempered glass screen protector makes a top choice for those after a more hardy protector to the one that comes pre-installed. It provides better coverage while feeling and looking great. If you would like to know more or even purchase this protector, then you can do so by clicking the link found in both the description and the comments below.